Hi, my name is Yaakov Nissenbaum, 25 years old.
My name is Shoshana.
אני אליקים, אני בן 20.
My name is Avi Friedman, and today I would be happy to share with you my story.
I grew up in an ultra Haredi house, Hasidic. At the age of 19, I decided to draft into the IDF.
I was born and raised in Yerushalayim to a Haredi family. At the age of 17, I decided to take a different way, and my parents didn't accept that. So I find myself on the street in a really tough place, dark place, in survival mode.
הגעתי לעמותה חצי שנה לפני שהתגייסתי, בזמן שלא היה לי איפה לגור, איפה לישון.
Due to my family state, I didn't really have a lot of support from my family, if it's money-wise, if it's just in general going into the army, also as a woman because they're very orthodox and in general.
The Osei Chayil organization gave me an apartment, a place I can call my house. They provide me food, they provide me education, and they provide me the help and the psychological help and the basic help and more, so I can serve in the army.
I was able to find great comfort in the Osei Chayil organizations. I joined one of their apartments. What makes it really unique and made the life good as a soldier is whenever you come back, there's always not only an apartment waiting for you, but also someone to give you a good hug, a good word, just like any other family would give or support their soldiers.
היישוב ראש צורים נותן לכל חייל משפחה מלווה. המשפחה הזאת נותנת את הלב שלה, פותחת את הבית שלה, מלווה אותם בטקסים, וגם כל שבת שהם מגיעים, הם באים לארוחה, לחברה, לשיחה, הם שם בשבילהם, כי בעצם אין להם כלום.
I'm the therapist for Osei Chayil and personally treat the soldiers. Our goal is to give the soldiers mental stability to face the challenges of adult life in Israel. I accompany them in the period before they go to the army until they study at the academy.
היום אני חובש בצבא, בבסיס בדרום, ולמרות שאני בצבא, יש לי גיבוי, יש לי משפחה בקיבוץ שמערכת אותי ומלווה אותי, והעמותה דואגת לי לכל מה שצריך, אם זה בית, מגורים, בגדים, אוכל.
For some people it's such a simple thing, the house, the food, and the help around it, but for us it's mamash atzalas nefashos. And thank you very much to the Osei Chayil organization.
Finally, I have a place of my own where I can put my stuff in and I can sleep without having to wonder what's going to happen next. I appreciate it so much.
Neria Weisberg.